Are we recording?
Yes. Hi. Say hi, everybody. That's Connor's hello.
We'll take it.
And then Mrs.
Hi, sweet pea.
Wait, you got to see. This is her main job is kicking off blankets. Oh, camera back. It's back on you, Aflac guy. And go.
Right on cue, kiddo.
And Mrs.
Hi, Annie.
What do you got for me?
Hi, sweet pea. Annie. Ha ha.
Come on, this is your smile. Oh, back to the gold.
So is this thing on?
And then what?
Nice.
That's where milk.
Look. You're missing it. Hee hee hee.
Why don't we see if we can get both of them?
Hi, sweetness. Look. Did you guys have fun today?
Went to the beach.
I went to the beach today. They're like celebrities. Did you guys have fun? You did?
It's.
I'm so glad.
Give me the one eye smile, Mrs.
Bill the cat.
Give me the one eye.
Oh my god, did someone just turn their on button on? Look at them, both of them at the same time. Can you get both of them in?
They're both in. This is the epitome of both of them. See how active he is with the arms? And she's just chilling.
Yes.
Although she's moving her feet a little bit.
She's doing good.
Because that blanket. Oh, blast that blanket.
Yes. You guys had fun today, huh? We're having a
All
good
right.
time.
Say bye, everybody. Say bye. Come on, give me a boo. Give me an owl. Give me something. All right. Then.
Can you hear her? Don't scare the children.
Right.
You're saying goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, bless you, Mrs. Bless you. 3, that's just like Dad. 4.
Keep going. Don't stop.
5.
World record. And